Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a lemonade stand that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x4 plate for our base. Take an upwards 1x1 by 1x2 angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate on the bottom stud. We're going to make two of these, and I want to set these in this portion of our 2x4 plate. Then I'm going to lock this together with a 1x4 brick. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 profile brick with single groove. We're going to place this right in the center. Take another 1x2 profile brick with single groove. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate on the left hand side. I'm going to place this on the left hand side, and then we're going to take another profile brick with single groove and place a 1x1 plate on the right hand side. Get that straightened up. We're going to set this right here on the right. Then lock it all together with a 1x6 plate. For our top, set down a set of 2x2 jumper plates, and we're going to finish this up here with a pair of 1x1 flat tiles. And for accessories, I'm going to take a little teapot. We're going to use this to hold our lemonade. Place that right there. And a little mug with handle. For our sign support, start with a 1x6 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 flat tile on the top stud, and on the remaining studs a 1x6 flat tile. Now I want to flip this over. I'm going to take a downwards 1x2 by 1x2 angular plate. I'll place this right here, and on these two studs a 2x2 flat tile. Now let's make a sign support for the right hand side, starting with another 1x6 plate and a 1x1 flat tile on the top stud, and on the remaining studs a 1x6 flat tile. We're going to flip this over, take another 1x2 by 1x2 angular plate. This time I want to place this one as shown, then on the studs a 2x2 flat tile to complete both supports. For our sign, let's start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 jumper plate in the bottom center, and right above that a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 flat tile. Now I want to put a little lemon on top of here, so I'm going to start with one of these little stud flowers. Place this right on top of the 1x1 plate, and for our lemon, one of these little Technic balls with the cross axle. It fits right on the jumper plate. Makes a nice little lemon sign. Let's take our left sign support. We're going to place this right inside this little opening on the left. And we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side with the right sign support. Now let's set the sign inside this little opening. Just squeeze that right in between the two downwards angular plates. Set that right in there. Makes a nice sign above our lemonade stand.